Today, I'm going to show you how to sound more fluent in English without learning any new vocabulary. By the end of this video, you're going to be able to do 3 things. 1. Sound fluent without learning a single new word. 2. Speak more confidently using real native patterns. And 3. Stop sounding robotic and start sounding confident. How are we going to do that? Just by changing how you say the words you already know. The same ones you hear in movies, TikTok, and everyday conversations, with small changes that make a big difference in rhyme, tone, and expression. So if you want your English to sound instantly smoother, clearer, and more natural, this video is for you. Let's get started. Use linking sounds. English sounds fast because native speakers connect their words. Slow, unnatural. I am going to eat it. Natural. I'm going to eat it. Here are some more examples. What are you doing? What you doing? Did you eat yet? Did you eat yet? Look at it. Look at it. So practice. I'm going to try it. What you thinking? Look at this. Use fillers like a native speaker. Fillers sound more natural and they give you time to think. So don't say or say nothing at all. That shows them that you don't understand or you don't know, your language skills are not very good. So use fillers instead. Such as, well, let me think. So, actually, well, let me think. I visited my friend yesterday. It shows that you're actually thinking. It doesn't highlight any of your English skills that you might not have yet. So native speakers will think that you're just thinking about it. Use easy connecting words. Simple connectors equals a fluent flow. So try using some of these. First, then, finally, because, so, actually, anyway, by the way. So here's an example. First, I woke up, then I had coffee. Actually, it was a big coffee. Anyway, after that, I went to work. Do you see the difference? Use contractions. Contractions instantly make your English more natural. A contraction is when we join words together. I am becomes I'm. I will, I'll. He is, he's. Contractions. I do not know. I don't know. I am not ready. I'm not ready. I will call you later. I'll call you later. So practice. I'll try it. I don't think so. I'm not sure. Very small thing, but this is how native speakers speak. Use short, natural phrases instead of textbook English. Fluency comes from natural choices, not fancy vocabulary. And these examples I'm about to give you here are less formal. So maybe don't use these ones if you're in a business meeting. So instead of saying, I understand, say, got it, I see. Instead of saying, please wait a moment, say, hang on a sec. Instead of saying, I do not know, say, no idea, not sure. But again, these are very informal, so be careful with these ones. Use rising and falling intonation. Fluent English has rhythm. Intonation is when the end of the word sound goes up or goes down. We use rising for questions. You're coming tonight, right? We use falling for confidence. I'll send it to you. High, down. Practice. Really? I'm sure. You ready? Let's go. Practice. You'll hear the difference. Or listen to people speaking on YouTube, Netflix, HBO, anything like that. Listen for intonation. Mimic it. Do what they say. Use set patterns. Chunks. Native speakers rely on chunks. Memorized patterns. Memorized phrases. So here's some useful chunks for you. Do you wanna? Again, contraction. I'm not sure if. The thing is, as far as I know, so using chunks, instant improve of fluency. Reduce words. Sound natural with shortened sentences. Fluent speakers often shorten their speech naturally. Here are some examples. I do not think that is a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea. I will talk with you about it later. I'll talk to you later. Simple reductions. I don't know. Don't know. It's up to you. Up to you. I am not sure. Not sure. I can't do it. Can't do it. So here's some to practice. Not sure. Up to you. Can't do it. I'll talk to you later. And that's it for today. So remember, you don't need more vocabulary to sound fluent. You need better flow, intonation, and more natural patterns. So which tip was your favorite? What ones do you already use? What ones do you already know? Tell me in the comments down below. And if you want a part 2 of this video, also let me know. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it very much. If you did like this video, again, hit the like button, the subscribe button. Hitting the bell is completely up to you, but please like and subscribe. I do make 2 videos a week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson, which will be very soon.